Hi all, today we'll see how to create gamified campaigns on Rhym. To begin, choose the Gamified marketing filter in the Templates section to view all the games. These are all skill-based games with really engaging and simple arcade-like mechanics. We also offer luck-based games, such as Spin the Wheel, that rely on chance. These are also proven and highly effective ways to engage and drive conversion. Now let's select one of the top performing games on our platform, which is Jump Up. Before we see how to edit it, let's see how to play the game. In the game, you jump an object while dodging platforms coming from both sides. You also need to balance on top of these platforms so that you do not fall. So this is a really fun game and can be customized in a lot of interesting ways. We will now see how to customize the game for your own brand. As you go inside the editor of the game, you see all the assets that you saw in the game while playing. There is jumping object at top and then different types of platforms which come during the game. To change any of these objects, you just need to select them in the canvas and replace it with the object from the library. In case the object is not already there in the library, you can upload a new image. Just ensure that you follow these suggested dimensions to get the desired output. Once you have replaced the jumping object, you can now change all the platforms. Every platform has a different shape and size. Keep in mind these objects are very specific to game and cannot be resized because that will hamper the mechanics of the game. So that's why you see all these elements to be fixed and not resizable. Now let's change one of the platforms. We can replace it with a platform which is relevant to this shape and size. Again, if you want to upload a new image, just follow these dimensions to get the desired output. We have now changed all elements, which are very static and specific to the mechanics of the game. Let's talk about how to change the background. Background is completely customizable. To change it, I select background in the canvas and replace with one of the images from the library. This image can be put anywhere in the background. You can resize it. You can move it around. So you can fully customize this or adjust it to suit your desired outcome. In case you want to fit the image to entire background, just click on this expansion icon, and the image will fit into the entire background. The background is now replaced. Within background, you can add many more elements, like you can add a logo. You can add more interesting graphics. So anything that you believe can increase the visual appeal of the game and make it more brand immersive. Once the core game is designed, then comes the end screen. End screen is what users will see once they finish playing the game. So this is the screen where you leverage the quality engagement that you created during the game and use it to drive desired action. In this screen, you can talk more about your brand and products. You can offer rewards or discounts. You can also have relevant call to action. The rewards and coupon codes can be offered based on the score achieved in the game. So for example, here I am defining different tiers of the score, and for minimum tier, I want to offer 20% discount. I can set the end screen to feature a 20% discount messaging and can also showcase a 20% coupon code. I can create an additional scenario where, if a user achieves a higher score, they'll receive a 40% discount along with a corresponding coupon code. This way, you'll keep users hooked to score higher and unlock better discounts. After feeling a sense of achievement in the game, players are 2-3x more likely to use their earned discount for a purchase. Every score scenario has its own separate end screen. As you see, when I'm changing the score range, the screen in the middle is also changing. So you can add different details in each screen. Maybe for different scores, you can set different coupon codes. You can show different products and messaging also. And can also add different redirect URLs to the button basis, the products, and the discounts. So each screen can be designed separately. For adding call to action, just click on the button in this chain icon and add the relevant URL here. Once a user is done playing the game and when they click on Visit Now or Redeem Now, whatever you want that CTA to be called, they will land on the landing page for which you have put the URL. Besides driving conversion through offers and driving traffic through call to action, you can also capture leads through our games. To add lead collection form, just go to Advanced Screen tabs on left-hand side and click on Lead Form. This has added lead form just before end screen. So after a user plays a very engaging game, you can say, "Hey, you played well and you won a reward." To claim the reward and the coupon code, just fill in a few details. And once they fill those details, you can show them coupon code. So in your lead collection, you could ask for the key details like name, mobile number, email. In case you don't want to collect any of these fields, just delete them. And if you want to add a field back, you can just click on plus icon and add it back. This is how the lead collection form can easily be added in your experiences. Once you are done adding lead screen and end screen, if you want to delete any of these screens, you can just click on delete icon, and you can add those screens back from advanced screens tab again. Even if you delete this end screen, which is offer slide, you can add it back from here. You can also add an introduction screen. This is a screen which comes just before the game starts, in case you want to set more context about the campaign or maybe show some instruction. But mostly avoid adding too many screens unless it's really needed. Most of our games are very intuitive and has very instant learning curve, so you don't really need to add elaborate instructions separately in a screen. Now I can publish the game. Before publishing, I can also integrate it with my key CRM accounts. Since we are collecting leads, integrating with MailChimp will make a lot of sense. Be careful that you save the campaign to save all the edits that you have made. And on publishing, you get a URL which you can use across any platform on SMS, WhatsApp, even use the URL to run a performance ad or Instagram story ad. We also provide you embed code which you can embed anywhere on any component within your website and start using it. You can also embed the game as a floating widget within the website. So these are various ways you can publish the campaign and start driving engagement and conversion for you. Once the game is live, you can go to my dashboard and you can start tracking numbers here. In my dashboard, you will see all the campaigns that you have created so far. In case you want to manage the campaign, rename it or delete it or duplicate it, you can just click on these three dots to do that. Even you can manage visibility like what other members can see this project. That is, you can invite more team members to your workspace and manage visibility of each of these campaigns. This brings me to the end of the demo. Thank you.